Hey guys, welcome you back to our channel that is Study Matters. So in today's video I will be sharing with you some super easy to do but yet artistic 4 different kinds of layout for your DIY habit tracker. So guys, I'm just done with my examination and all stuff, and to be really very honest with you all guys, I was not at all following any of my schedules, nor I was following any of my habits. But now it's the time to get back to it with full of enthusiasm and full of energy, and for that we always need a habit tracker. So guys, you should also follow your habits on daily basis and maintain the consistency by using all such kind of habit trackers. And now let's get started with our video. First thing first, let's see things required. 2-3 blank white papers, color pens, sketch pens or highlighter, anything will do. Glue stick or Fevicol, rough book with pen and pencil, scissors, eraser, pencil, old calendar, ruler or a scale. Now let's move on to the process. First thing that you have to do is cut out the white paper according to the size of old calendar on which you are going to stick your habit planner. So here I have cut out the white paper into 16 by 13 centimeters size, which is the size of my old calendar. So if you have watched my videos till date, then you would be familiar with this thing that I prefer to draw a rough sketch of anything that I'm planning of to do. So to draw this first layout, which I called as honeycomb layout, we have to start drawing hexagon, 28, 31 or 30 hexagon for each day of a month. Okay, so I follow only 5 habits, so only 5 boxes will be there inside this hexagon for each habit. So these sub boxes inside the hexagon may vary according to your number of habits you follow. So as we know that this is the honeycomb, so honeybees are must. Now once when you are done with the rough sketch and you have got an idea about the structure of your habit tracker, you may proceed by replicating this thing on a fair already measured and cut blank white paper. After that, it's time to bring on the colors into action. So this is how it looks when it's totally colored. Once you are done with the coloring part, stick this ready page of habit tracker on an old calendar with the help of glue stick or Fevicol. So for such kind of habit trackers, a habit index with pre-decided color for each habit is must. So as over here, I have taken brown for exercise, red for meditation, dark orange for water, light orange for study and yellow for sleep. So you can select any of the colors according to your wish for your habit index. And this is how it looks when it's completely ready. Now let's move on to our second layout, which is this leaf vinlet layout. So for this layout, you need to draw a trunk of a tree and several random branches for this tree trunk. And to give more real look or prettier look, you may draw this cute little 2 birds sitting on the branch. After that, start drawing number of leaves according to the number of days in a month selected by you. For example, if you have selected month of February, then you need to draw 28 or 29 leaves. If you have selected a month in which has 30 or 31 days, then you need to draw 30 leaves or 31 leaves. And now number each leaf according to the number of days in a month. So now what we have to do is divide each of this leaf into number of parts according to the activities or habits you follow. As I follow 5 habits, I have divided this leaf into 5 parts. Now again, draw the same thing on a white paper. and color it. And paste it with the help of glue stick. So this is the final look. Moving on to the third and the most easiest one of this part of the layout, and that is this balloon layout, in which we have to draw almost 28 or 30 or 31 balloons according to the days in a month. And also guys, if you are not a person who wants to invest your time into such an artistic and time taking process for preparing such kind of habit trackers, then the second part of this video is for you all people, because in the second half I would be including the most simple and easiest general forms of layouts for habit trackers. So do stay tuned for that one also. And now do the same thing than before. Draw it on a blank paper, fill in the colors and stick it on an old calendar. Again over here I have divided each balloon into 5 segments. As I follow only 5 habits, you may divide it further on also. Now habit index over here is again same as before. I have divided the balloon into 5 segments and selected specific color for specific habit. Now layout number 4, that is floral pattern habit tracker layout. Okay, so now over here each petal corresponds to each habit. Like if you have 5 habits, then you will draw 5 petals to that flower. If you have 6 habits, you will draw 6 petals to that flower. And also over here, one flower corresponds to one day. So if I'm selecting a month which has 30 days, that means we have to draw all together 30 flowers in total for each day. Once you are done with this, follow all the process that we had done before for all the layouts, and that is to prepare the replica of this onto a blank white paper and then fill in the colors and paste it on an old calendar. One more thing guys that you should keep in your mind while preparing such kind of habit tracker, that is, do not at all forget to prepare habit index with specific color coding and specific pattern for each habit which you have included in your habit tracker. And also be very patient and careful once you are done with your activity or habit and you want to mark it on your tracker. This is the final outcome of our 4 different layouts for habit tracker. Now the clip played on topmost left corner of this screen is the clip from my previous video, that is a month before examination, and also I will be sharing how to prepare that layout in next part of this video. So if you haven't checked that video, go ahead, link is provided in the description box below and you can watch all the videos shown on the screen right now. I have mentioned the links in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. See you soon in next part of this video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.